Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a wish list in Shopify Horizon theme. Let's get started. First go to shopify.com, then click login right here. Enter in this field your email, or you may choose to log in using your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. This action will take you to your Shopify dashboard. Up here on the search bar, type in wishlist, then click Wishlist Plus. In the Shopify App Store, click on Install right here. Next, in this pop-up, click on Install again. In this new tab, click on Get Started right here. Next, just edit the brand colors of your wish list right here. And then select the appropriate category. Then for the theme, let's click on Horizon right here. Then click Continue. In here, just click on Continue again. Then click Go to Theme Editor. Now make sure that you have enabled the Wishlist App Control Center and the Collections Advanced by clicking on these two toggles right here. And as you can see right here, this is a preview of your wish list. Then click Save up here to save your changes. And that is how you can add a wish list to Shopify Horizon theme. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.